Hey guys, welcome back. Got some replacement and new gear for the new year for 2021. So let's get into it. So first off, we'll start with right here what we got in the back. I've actually been using it for a little bit here, but we had the GoPro Hero 7 and decided to retire that. And we're going with the GoPro Hero 9 and the Media Mod. And then I also decided to switch out my GorillaPod for this tripod here. Huck Outdoors has it, and I would say quite a few other YouTubers. And the biggest thing is it's super light, and it has a really decent height. Carbon fiber for the really low weight. Took me a little while. I was with the GorillaPod and finally decided that this would be the best thing for me. So yeah, so we went new tripod, Media Mod, and GoPro Hero 9. And we went from the 7. And for microphone, I'm actually using it right now, which is the Rode Wireless Go. Next up is my old trusty microgrid fleece that I got on clearance from Old Navy. It's good. That's more for summer. And again, thanks to Huck Outdoors. Won the lottery, and he asked me if I needed something, and got the Blue Melly. So this will be replacing the, well, not even replacing, but I still might use the other one for summer. So we'll go with that. And next up is my trusty old Ultra Lone Peaks. Yes, I've glued them back together a million times. Those are the 4s. And yes, they do have the issues of them falling apart, but they are the most comfortable shoes that I've have found for me. So I decided to go with the, I believe it's Carbon Blue Ultra Lone Peak 4.5s. So these are the shoes I'll be wearing this year. And last but not least, my Z-Packs trekking poles. We've done I've had them for over a year. They've been great. I've had to replace the tips on them. And I've seen Z-Packs came out with some new ones, and I got them on sale for their 12 days of Christmas. So I decided to go with the new cork handled with the EV foam. These are still good, but sometimes I forget my trekking poles, so these are going to be backups and they're going to stay in my trunk. But yeah, can't wait to get these out and try them out. And that's about it. That's all I got for you. That is my new gear for 2021. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.